Good evening, students. Yes. Good evening. Right. So, who are all there today? Let me see. Sneha. Hello, Sneha. Hello, Arpit. Hello, Jay Krishna. Right. Vikas, good evening. Sneha. Yes. Good evening. I'm doing good, Sneha. How about you? Thank you so much. Yes. Pugit Tricks. Good evening. Arpit also good evening. Hello, Vikas. How are you doing? All of you had lunch, students? Everybody had lunch? Stomach is happy? Yes, because brain has to work. Stomach should be full, isn't it? No, half full? Yes. Yes. Tell me, all of you had lunch? What about cancellation of board exam Twitter trending? It's not a decided, Jay Krishna. It is not a decided. See, news which are in the trending, never remember, you will be getting from the CBSE board. Okay. You'll be getting the news from CBSE board, then officially I'll declare it. Okay. See, such news always flies in the air. But what is actual news is important, no, Jay Krishna? Yes. Yes, students. Yes. So is my voice audible? Everything is clear. Hello, Vikas. Yes. Thank you so much. God bless you, Vikas. See, always remember, I'm always there with you all students. Yes, Varli? I'm always there with you. Good evening, Akash. How are you? But only thing is you have to work with me. Say, we did haloalkanes, haloarenes, then we did alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Today we are doing aldehydes. Are you all working along with me, students? Okay, Jai Krishna. Okay, right. Yes, right. Yes, students. So very good. All the best, Jai Krishna. Nothing to worry. You can watch all the one-shot videos which I did. So most of the students are saying, ma'am, one-shot videos, 4 hours, 5 hours. But I'll tell you, students, every line, everything which I have written on the board is the most relevant concept from NCERT. Okay? Please don't think when somebody says one shot means one shot will be over. Can you just tell me, students, 30 pages chapter, can we do it in one shot? Tell me, students, you only tell me 30 pages chapter, can we do it in one shot? Yes. Clear my doubt. You a lot of people who are saying, no, 30 pages, one shot. Yes, we can do it, somebody. But if you want to get marks, students, please try to understand the concept. Okay? Yes. So I believe always in concept understanding, students. So concept is very important for me because CBSE may ask you from any corner. Okay. So never go with instant answers. Never go with instant things which tell you it will be over. Yeah, correct. It's only summary. With summary, can you write an exam? Bolo. With summary, can you write an exam? Yes, Deepshika. Yes. Thank you so much, Deepshika. Right. So never remember with summary we can't write an exam, students. You should know the actual concept of this chapter. Jai Krishna, I'll be doing P block and D block also. Nothing to worry. My request is students in WOC World of Chemistry. In World of Chemistry, you have one-shot videos which are there. Don't think it is 4 hours, 5 hours. Spend some time, no problem. You sit at night 10 o'clock till 3 o'clock, no problem. You watch it. Yes, you watch it. You watch it and finally you prepare notes. I'm telling you, when you see your answer paper, it will be so easy. Okay? Sure. Let us start off today, students. Okay? Right. Thank you so much, Akash. One last question I'll ask you. Shall I ask you, students? One last question. Yes? Yes? Shall I ask you a question? Yes? Yeah. I'm asking you a question, students. Please tell me. Why, Vikas? Why are you asking about that? Why are you asking? Okay. Now tell me, the food which is instant, which you get outside, instant foods, they say, no, instant, instant, instant. Instant foods are healthy, or the one which your mother prepares gradually, slowly, with a lot of affection and love, which she prepares in the house. She serves you on a plate and she'll get it to you to eat it. That is tasty. Yes, students? Your mother, rather your sister, whoever it is, your father, whoever it is. They prepare with lot of care and they get it to your plate. And if they ask you to eat it, which will be more tasty? Outside food will be tasty or your mother's food will be tasty? Yes, yes, Rakshita. So remember, students, why I'm telling you, WOC always believes in that thing. Nothing is instant, okay? You all assume me as your own family member. Yes, yes, correct, correct. You always assume me as your family member, then you can always, if you assume me as a family member, remember your 90% of the struggle is over. Because I'm there, yeah. Because I'm there at an academy. I'm a verified educator at an academy. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. Start kare. So don't waste your time visiting or wasting one shot in one day. Please don't do that. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Let us start our students. So today we are going to do aldehydes, ketones and acids chapter. Basically, this is 1 hour session, students. It will be there till 4 o'clock. It will be there till 4 o'clock. The students, I request all of you to inform your friends also to join. Okay. Let us start off with the questions. So basically, students, let us see why am I giving you question and answer. Why am I giving you a question and answer? Because you can directly write this answer in the exam. Directly, you can write this answer in the exam. Same answer. Please don't again waste time reading different books. Good evening, good afternoon, Peppy. Don't waste time. Simple. See the question, write the answer. Correct? Yes, Arpit. Let us read the first question. Name one distinguishing test between aldehydes and ketones. Correct, no, students? Distinguishing test between aldehydes and ketones. Arpit, right. Tolerance test. Anything else is there? Anything else is there, students? Aldehydes and ketones. How can I distinguish them? Tolerance test, aldehydes give. Yes. Felling's test, aldehydes give. Correct? Yes. Both. In tolerance, you will be getting a silver mirror test. Silver mirror, basically. And in Felling's test, you'll be getting a red precipitate. Correct, no, students? Yes, Shrestha. Very good. Shifts also you can write. Any three you can write because this is a one mark question. Tolerance, Fellings and Schiff's aldehydes are going to give. Ketones are going to give iodoform test. If it is a methyl ketone, compulsory, it's going to give an iodoform test. Correct, no? Yes. So, will you all remember this, students? Will you all remember this? Clear? Because this is asked for 1 mark, I am writing only one test. Because I am writing, basically, Gomati, it's a dye test, Gomati. We have a Schiff's base where we prepare dye with that. Pink color combination of dye, which is where we get positive test for aldehyde. Yes. Okay. Right? Right. So basically, I'll be explaining that Schiff's test, tolerance, everything will be there in the video. You can watch it. Okay. Chalo. First question is clear. Any doubt, students? Any doubt? First question, any doubt? Again, I'm telling you, students, Telegram channel link is given above. Yes. Telegram channel link is given above. Peppy, you can go with 2,4 DNP test also, Peppy. Yes. 2,4 DNP test also you can go. But ketones give, no? Ketones don't give. Ketones will not react with 2,4 DNP. No, they don't react. Okay. Under certain conditions, it reacts. So check. We can't give that specifically. tollens, fillings, shifts. Okay. Next question, students. Yes. Give reason why formaldehyde does not undergo aldol condensation reaction. Yeah. Give reason why formaldehyde does not undergo aldol condensation reaction, students. Simple. Formaldehyde HCHO. Does it have any alpha hydrogen? Yes. Does it have any alpha hydrogen? No. Yeah, correct, Arpit. No alpha hydrogen because for aldol condensation compulsory I require alpha hydrogen. Correct, no? So, one reason. Correct, Jay Krishna. Correct, Arpit. Oh, Akash also is answering. Nice. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this question? Simple. Okay, I'm proceeding to the next question, students. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than alcohols of same number of carbon atoms. What is the reason? Okay, first of all, when somebody says carboxylic acid, the first important thing you have to get into your mind, hydrogen bonding. Correct, no, students? Correct, Arpit. Yes, Dipanshu, two things. First, as you said, they are going to form dimers. They are going to associate. See, na? See here, CH3COOH, one molecule, one more CH3COOH, one more molecule. Water is removed and it will form a dimer. Okay, two molecules combined together, it forms a dimer. That's the first important concept. Yes. Next important thing I'm saying, acetic acid forms dimers and it has hydrogen bond. Simple. Anything is there in this? Correct, Pippi? See the answer? Extensive association of molecules and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Completely 1 mark you will be getting at this. Correct, no? Yes. Simple question, but the way you should present in the exam is important. Any doubt in these two questions, students? Any doubt in these two questions? Tell me, I'll proceed. No? Yes, Sarpit? Okay. Sharvana Priya Subramaniam. Okay. No? Chal. Very good, students. Next. 4, 5, 6 questions. Let us see. Write the IUPAC name of the following compound. Okay. There is an IUPAC name given to me of this compound. Now check, students. First of all, this compound, when I check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The parent chain is pentane. In the second position and in the fourth position, you have dione. Dione. Correct. So, pentane 2,4-di. Easy. From any side you can name it. No problem. Because it is symmetrical on both the sides. Correct. If you have two oxygen atoms, we call it as dione. Now, if you have doubt, please stop and ask me, students. You're all quiet. So I'm going to the next question. Next question. What product is obtained when ethyl benzene is oxidized with alkaline KMnO4? Very, 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 very important question, students. Whenever you see alkaline KMnO4, remember one thing. Whatever is the side chain, how much ever big, correct? How much ever big is a side chain? Let it be ethyl, let it be propyl, let it be toluene. It will get converted to benzoic acid. It is an oxidizing agent, right? It is an oxidizing agent. Correct. Whatever is the size of the alkyl group, it will get converted to acid. Simple. Correct. Easy. Yeah. Iska bolo. Tell me this product, students. You are going to take this compound. Tell me what product you will get. You will see in the exam alkaline KMnO4. What product should you write? What product? Then at least one alpha H then changes to COH. Yes, obviously. Obviously. Pullajay, because already it is there, no? Yes. What product will we get here? Yes. COOK, no? COH. Final product is Pepi. Final product is benzoic acid. That is what you have to say. So, irrespective of the size of the alkyl group, it's going to form benzoic acid. Because already alpha hydrogen is there, no? Okay, next, students. Give chemical test to distinguish between acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Okay, both are aldehydes. One is aliphatic aldehyde, one is aromatic aldehyde. What is important, students? Acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. Benzaldehyde, this is your benzaldehyde. Tell me, students. Acetaldehyde. Halo form test. Very good, Pulajay. Yes. Because halo form test or the iodoform test is given by alpha methyl group. Correct. Iodoform test is given by methyl ketones. It is given by primary alcohols. It is given by methyl groups, alpha methyl groups, as Pulajay said. Yes. So this is alpha. This is the functional group. This is the alpha carbon. So whichever has alpha methyl group, that will give iodoform test. Alpha methyl group, that will give iodoform test. Correct? Got it, students? Got it? Easy? Any doubt? I'm proceeding. Okay? Proceeding? Okay. Now, next thing. Give one test. Okay, Shrestha has set out fillings. See, Shrestha, they ask you to distinguish between acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. You are talking about iodoform, nothing to talk about the benzaldehyde. If you are trying to talk about benzaldehyde, talk about acetaldehyde, like that. Okay. Sure. Next question, students. Let us see question number 7, 8, and 9. Write one chemical test to distinguish between formic acid and acetic acid. Okay. Chemical test between formic acid and acetic acid. Now, students, formic acid is HCOH. Acetic acid is your CH3COH. Okay. Now, same thing. Here when I see, yes. Here when I see, there are two ways. Formic acid, you can talk about tolerance reagent, but simple one shall I say? Reaction with NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, can I use? You can use this also, no, students. Acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, forms sodium acetate plus carbon dioxide. That test also you can write. That test also you can write, students. That's the easiest test. There's a release of effervescence, carbon dioxide bubbles much faster compared to formic acid. So one test is sodium bicarbonate, one test is tolerance test. Both you can write. Both you can write. Correct? Yes? Clear? You know this reaction, students? You know this reaction, right? NaHCO3. Let me take one eraser and write the reaction for you all. Let me take. What product I get? CH3COONA plus water plus carbon dioxide. This reaction also you can write. Yes. NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate will take. Sodium bicarbonate. Sure. Next question. Write two important uses of formalin. Okay, this you can do it. 8th question, nothing. Next, one more. How is formalin and trioxane related to methanol? So this is basic uses, students. Formalin is 40% aqueous solution of methanol, where trioxane is trimer of methanol. So this is nothing. This is just a use. You can directly study. Okay, application question. You can directly study this. Nothing much to explain. Next, students, check carefully. 10th question. Complete the following reaction and give the name of the major product. Okay. They have given me Grignard's reagent and they have given me formaldehyde. Now you all know, students, how does it go? You all know, right? Formaldehyde, how will we learn? Anybody has doubt in Grignard's reagent addition? Anybody has doubt in Grignard's reagent addition? Please take this question. Electronegative oxygen atom, the pi bond shifts. There's a cleavage of the bond. Okay, this becomes partially negative, this becomes partially positive. So, this is your positive charge, this is your negative charge. So, negative comes and attacks the carbon, magnesium goes and attacks oxygen atom. So, क्या मिलेगा आपको? You will be getting H, oxygen, MgX and CH3. Iska further hydrolysis you are doing and you will get, check here, you will be getting cleavage OH and H. Finally, it is nothing but CH3. Dekho, CH3, CH2, OH. Primary alcohol. So, formaldehyde on Grignard's reagent gives you primary alcohol. Simple. Simple, students. Yes. I'll do Chitra. In this series, I'll be doing statement-wise, paragraph-based questions, assertion reasoning questions. Yes, everything we will do. Okay. Don't worry, Chitra. Every alternate day, you'll be having a live session where the whole syllabus will be covered from my side. And that too, not simple, it will be very deep revision. It will be very deep revision. Okay? So, assertion reasoning you'll be seeing how to remember the reactions, all I'll tell you. Okay? Chalo. Next question, students. Draw the structural formula of this compound. What did they give me? Hex 2-ene 4-YN oic acid. Oh, don't get confused. It's simple. First of all, pehle aapko you write hex. Hex means how many carbons, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Then they said oic acid. So, to the last carbon, you have written COH. Then they said in the second, because when you're numbering it, you have to number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Correct? In the second position, there is a double bond, and in the fourth position, there is a triple bond. YN means what, students? Tell me. EN means, YN means what? Chitra, in WOC, I did 10 years PYQs of all the chapters, Chitra. In WOC, I did from physical chemistry till everything I have done 10 years PYQs. You can check. Yes. Yes, Akash. E means double bond. YN means triple bond. Okay? Correct. Yes. YN means triple bond. Very good, Akash. Very good, Shrestha. So what did they say? In the fourth position, you have triple bond. So over. In the second position, there is a double bond. Check the structure, students. Any doubt? Any doubt? Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? Yes. Yes, students? Any doubt? No? No. Okay. Next two questions, students. Next two questions. Check. Arrange the following in the increasing order of acidic character. Okay. Check. Arpit, you're there? See here. Increasing order of their acidic character. That means easy. Very careful. Whenever somebody is asking you to check for acidic character, please check for more electronegative atom. Check for more electronegative atom. Okay. इसमें कितना है, students? There are fluorine is highly electronegative than chlorine. How many fluorines are there? 3. That's why it is the strongest. After fluorine, see, more electronegative atom, more electron withdrawing nature. More electron withdrawing nature, more acidity. Yes, Chitra, don't get distracted. Remember, you have to make your parents proud, correct? No? Yes. Yeah, to make your parents proud, you have to work hard. So my request is, I did one-shot videos in WOC. I did PYQ questions in WOC. I did lot of 1500 videos are there in WOC, Chitra. Okay? So please go to the playlist, sit and watch. Maximum by 15 days, your syllabus will be completed. Okay? Sure. Yes, students. Yes, Pullajay, correct. Minus I effect and minus M effect is there in this. So, maximum acidity is se kam, chloride is se kam in this because there's one chlorine atom. Sabse kam, formic acid. Correct, no? Maximum, yes, formic acid. Why, students? Anybody has doubt in this question? Anybody has doubt? The highest is minus I and minus M effect. In this case, you have minus I effect and plus I effect also. Both are there. Hello, Shreya. Good evening. Clear? Welcome to the session, Shreya. Proceeding, students. Give one chemical test to distinguish between phenol and benzoic acid. As soon as you see phenol in the exam paper, good evening, Arjit. Welcome. How are you? How are you, Arjit? Doing good? Right. Right. Yes. No problem, Shreya. We have completed almost 10 to 11 questions. Check. Yes. So phenol, whenever they give you, blindly write neutral FeCl3 test, students. Neutral FeCl3 test, which gives a violet coloration, that's the best test to differentiate phenols. See, no? Okay, and also sodium carbonate kar sakte hain. Sodium carbonate, you can, but here what happens, no? When they ask you to differentiate, Shreya, okay, see, always remember, students, don't get confused. When somebody is asking you to differentiate, you will write like this phenol, you will write like this benzoic acid. Okay? Either you should take only one test. Only one test. Here, if you are writing neutral FeCl3 test, iska tick, iska cross. Or if you state from here sodium bicarbonate test or sodium carbonate test, iska tick, iska cross. Like that, any one test you can write. Clear? Got it? Clear, Shia? Yes. Hello, Chintu. Welcome to the session. Right. Next question, students. Welcome to the session, Chintu. Most of the aromatic acids are solids, while acetic acids and others of this series are liquids. Why, students? Aromatic acids are solid systems. Aromatic acid, example like benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a solid, it seems. Acetic acid and other acids, basically acetic acid, propanoic acid, all these are liquids. What is the reason? What is the reason, students? High molecular weight, Arpit? Okay. First of all, when I say something is solid, that means there is certain amount of force of attraction inside that. Correct, no? Force of attraction is very, very strong in this. More than the molecular weight, force of attraction. So those force of attractions are nothing but van der Waals forces of attractions. Okay, right? You got it? Once again, I'm saying, students, in benzoic acid, it's solid because the forces of which are holding the whole benzoic acid crystal lattice is nothing but van der Waals. This van der Waals forces of attraction is making benzoic acid remain a solid. Acetic acid, simple. This acetic acid, a smaller molecule. Second important thing, it forms hydrogen bonding. Second important thing, that's why it acts as liquid. Easy? Easy, students? Molecular weight means what? What is van der Waals forces? Van der Waals forces are the weak forces of attraction. Jai Krishna. London dispersion forces or van der Waals forces which act between the molecule and the ion which is formed. It's a weak force. Okay. Covalent bonding, ionic bonding, dipole forces, van der Waals forces. Okay. So covalent, sharing is formed. Ionic, between the ions. Dipole, the poles which are formed between two particular atoms. Van der Waals forces are the weak forces. See here. Carbon, 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 like this it is linked, no? These are all van der Waals forces which are linked. Okay, those are the weak forces. Okay. Next, let us start with section B. Manisha, if you are running with the syllabus, there are a lot of the students who may not understand, no, Manisha? Who may not understand, isn't it? Correct? Okay. Let us start with the 2 marks question, students. Would you expect benzaldehyde to be more or less reactive in nucleophilic addition reactions than propanol? Explain your answer. Yes. Yes. Right? So, what did they say? Would you expect benzaldehyde to be more reactive or less reactive? So, basically, nucleophilic addition reaction they're saying, now students, see here. This is your benzaldehyde, basically carbon, your oxygen and hydrogen. So when a nucleophile comes and attacks HCN is a nucleophilic addition reactions. So they're saying, is it less reactive or more reactive? So nucleophile is coming, it's breaking, it's coming and trying to attack this particular compound. Less or more reactive, students? It will be less or more reactive? Oxygen is pulling the electron density. This carbon is involved in the resonance. There is a partial double bond character. Yes, Arpit. double bond, double bond. First of all the electrons are involved inside the resonance. When the electrons are involved inside the resonance, automatically it will be less reactive. Correct now, students? Correct now. Propanol, dekho. Propanol. See this propanol. CH3, CH2, CHO. Is there any resonance? Is there any resonance in this? There is no resonance in this. Comfortably, it can easily participate. You're right, understanding, students? So see here, the polarity of the carbonyl compound is reduced because benzaldehyde has resonance in this. Because of that resonance, when a nucleophile comes and tries to attack it, the electrons are not available, no? Oh, everything is busy moving inside the benzene ring. That's why it is less reactive. Here, no resonance. There is no resonance only in this. It can easily participate. Yes. Clear? Pepi Pratyasha. Due to resonance, positive charge. Yes, that is what Pepi. Due to resonance, there is no availability of electrons. Correct, no? Got it? Very good. I'm proceeding, students. Anybody has doubt? Next question. Nobody has doubt? Next question. I'm just proceeding to the next question. Describe esterification reaction giving an example. Sabko pata hai na? Esterification reaction is a reaction between. Okay. So here, okay, this is little bit wrong. Acid plus alcohol. This should be acid, students. Acid plus alcohol gives me ester. Okay, this is little bit wrong. This should be water. Ester plus water. Okay. Now, there is one more thing here, students. There's one more thing. If they ask you trans-esterification reaction, I'll tell you something, students. Check carefully. I'll clear your doubt. 1 second. Check here. Anybody knows what is trans-esterification reaction? Anybody knows what is trans-esterification reaction? Hello, Sejil. Welcome. Anybody knows what is trans-esterification reaction? Quickly. This is called trans-esterification reaction. Sanju, Amutibari, welcome. So check, students. There are two varieties of reactions. One is esterification reaction and one is trans-esterification reaction. Correct? Not opposite. See here. In trans-esterification reaction, you have an alcohol reacting with an ester. In trans-esterification reaction, you have an alcohol reacting with an ester to form again an ester plus a different alcohol. That is trans-esterification. I'm doing good. Ammu, how about you? I'm doing wonderful. How are you? You're not regular to the sessions. In esterification reaction, you have an alcohol reacting with an acid to form ester plus water. Remember, two varieties of reactions are there. If you want to remember this. How was your chemistry exam, Amu? How was your chemistry exam? Very good. Sejal, welcome to the channel, Sejal. Stay connected. Okay. Right. Nice. Very good. Very good, Amu. God bless you. All the best. All the best for your further exams. Okay, students. So for your CBSE, only esterification reaction is there. Trans-esterification is not there for you all. Okay. Sure. Take care. All the best. And Sejal, once again, welcome to the session, Sejal. Got it, students? Now, can we proceed? One amino acid in form of zwitter ion. Say, who's that? Aishwarya. I'll be doing amines day after tomorrow. Amines day after tomorrow. I'll be showing you how an hydrogen ion shifts from the carboxylic acid group to ammonia group. I'll show it to you. Please join me day after tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Chalo, student. Next question. Explain HVZ reaction with an example. You all know, students, HVZ reaction. What is the requirement in HVZ? What is the requirement in HVZ? Red phosphorus is the requirement. What is the requirement, Arpit? Very important, Suman. Very, very important chapter. Who will tell me what is the requirement in HVZ? Alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen, remember. HVZ reactions are shown by carboxylic acid which has alpha hydrogen. Yes, Pavan Kalyan. Alpha hydrogen should be there and that alpha hydrogen will get replaced by halogen. Okay? That is what is important. So what is this called? Alpha halo acid. Yes, alpha hydrogen, alpha halo acid. This chapter is very, very, very important, students. Anybody has any joke to share? Any joke to share? Anybody has a joke to share? We'll take only 1 minute break. Hi, Nikki. Anybody has a joke to share? No? Okay, chal. Students are all seriously understanding. No problem. Let us start. No? She will continue. We will continue, students. No break required. No break required. Should we take a break or not required? Proceed. Yes, proceed. Hello, Anishri. Okay, sure. Welcome to the session. Okay, yes, sure. Give simple chemical test to distinguish between pent 2-one and pent 3-one, students. They're asking me to differentiate distinguishing tests. Pent 2-one and pent 3-one. So basically, students, whenever you see ketone in the paper, okay, whenever you see ketones in the paper, pent 2-one, they said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first thing, 2-one, methyl ketone. In the second, 3-one. Now, tell me, which is methyl ketone, students? Yes. In this 2-one, this is methyl ketone or this is methyl ketone? Which is methyl ketone? Pent 2-one is methyl ketone. Whichever is methyl ketone, this gives iodoform test. This is not methyl ketone. Not methyl ketone. That's why no iodoform test. Yes, Suman, tell me important topic in this chapter. Suman, the questions which I am doing are all important, very, very important, Suman. Okay? Yes, these are all very, very important questions. Please study everything. Your maximum syllabus will be covered in this. Next. Ethanol, next, ethanol and propanol. Dekho, ethanol. Where is my marker pen? Ethanol, they said. Ethanol and propanol. Tell me, students, in both of them, which will undergo? Yes. Ethanol is a methyl hydrogen. Beside the aldehyde group, you have a methyl group. So this will give, ethanol will give iodoform. This is not a methyl. Yes. This is not a methyl, so no iodoform test. Clear? Both are clear? Yes. First one, Tanisha. Right. Ethanol gives, propanol doesn't give. Next question, students. Although phenoxide ion has more number of resonating structures than carboxylate ion, okay, बेंटेन फॉर ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्शंस पर सारी वीडियो बना दीजिए. मैंने बना दिया. बेंटेन वर्ल्ड ऑफ केमिस्ट्री हैज डन कंप्लीट ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्शंस. प्लीज चेक द प्लेलिस्ट. कंप्लीट एनसीईआरटी कन्वर्शंस आई डिड. अब एक बार देख लेना, ठीक है. पूरा बना दिया मैंने. Done? So, let us not get diverted. Yes. Yes. Now, although phenoxide ions are more number of resonating structures than carboxylate ion, carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Why? Yes, Jay Krishna. Dispersion of negative charge. Perfect answer, Jay Krishna. So, carboxylate ion and phenol, if they give you, there's no place here. Simple. Only one answer. Jay Krishna has already given. Okay. In carboxylate ion, you have electrons. I don't have place here to write. Check here. See here. This is your carboxylate ion. Yes. This is your phenoxide ion. Correct. Now, in which case there is delocalization to students? Here in carboxylate ion, you have two oxygen atoms. You have only two oxygen atoms. Correct, Geeta? Correct. Carboxylate, Geeta Nair has given the answer. Carboxylate has two equivalent resonating structures and they can have negative ion. Right. Very good, Geeta. You know the concept. Very good. Correct, no? What Geeta said is right. In carboxylate, only two oxygen atoms. And in phenoxide ion, the negative charge is delocalized over everything. All the whole ring. So automatically carboxylate ion will be more acidic because only two resonating structures. Only simple. Correct, students? Yes. Yes. Correct. Two resonating structures, easily it can release the proton out. Phenol, it has complete the whole resonating structures. Next question, students. Why there is a large difference in boiling point of butanol and butan-1-ol? What is the difference, students? Butanol and butan-1-ol. This is butanol. This is butan-1-ol. Alcohols have hydrogen bonding. Correct, no? Yes, no, students. Alcohols have hydrogen bonding. That's why they have more boiling point. Yes or no, students? Correct, no? Yeah, that's simple. Next question. Name the electrophile produced in the reaction of benzene with benzoyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Name the reaction also. Whenever they ask you benzoyl chloride, simple, students, it's nothing but Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Correct, no? Correct, no? It is nothing but benzoyl chloride is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Yes or no, students? Yes or no? Benzoyl chloride is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction or no? Yes. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, tell me. Tell me Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, students. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, what is the electrophile? In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Pepi, alkylation. Acylation is you break the bond like this, it will become benzoyl cation. Alkylation, yes, Arpit. What is a cation? In alkylation, alkyl cation. Alkyl, okay, right? Here it is benzoylium cation in benzylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, we call it as alkyl cation for Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Correct. Yes, Geeta Nair. Clear? Next question, students. Arrange the following in decreasing order of their acidic strength and give reason for the following. They have given me a list. So whenever they give you acidic strength question, for first what should you see? Whenever they give you acidic strength question, what should you see? What group you should see? You have to check for which group, students? Acidic strength question is given to you means you have to check for which group? Quickly. You have to check for plus I group or minus I group. Yes, Jay Krishna. Alkyl group increases acidity. Oh, alkyl group. Correct. Yes, Jay Krishna, you're also right. Yes. Whenever acidic strength, yes, Arpit, acidic strength question is given to you, check for minus I group. Correct. Minus I group or electron withdrawing group increases, acidity increases. Correct. Plus I group or electron releasing group increases, acidity decreases. Correct, no? Simple. See here, students. Where is fluorine? Where is fluorine? Fluorine is here. सबसे ज़्यादा acidic. सबसे ज्यादा acidic. After that, chlorine. Correct. Correct. After that, two things, benzoic acid and ethanol. Now see here, benzoic acid, we understand, no? Benzoic acid, the electrons are inside the ring. It's distributed inside the ring. It's distributed inside the ring. So easily it can release this proton. So better than that. Here you have plus I effect. So plus I effect increases, acidity decreases. Here you have two plus I groups. Plus I effect increases, acidity decreases. Okay, got it, students? Got it? Right? So, any other thing? Yes, students? Clear? Next question. Next question. Write the names associated with the following reactions. Write the names associated. Now tell me, students, what is the name of this reaction? What is the name of this reaction? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Talenter, will you come and teach here? Yes, Talenter? Will you please come and teach here? Yes? Students, from tomorrow, Talenter will come and teach us it. Shall we do? Yes, very good. Very good, Jay Krishna. Very good, Pavan. Very good. 1 minute. First one is what? Shrestha Rosenmund. Shrestha Hoffman's. Why Hoffman's? Hoffman's reaction is amide to amine. Remember, this is Hoffman's bromamide reaction. In the presence of bromine and KOH, this is Hoffman's. This is Hoffman's. Okay, right? Now, what is this reaction, students? A Rosenmund reduction. Very good. Rosenmund reduction. Talenter, remember, whenever you're commenting on somebody, remaining 4 fingers are pointing you. Correct, no? Better, whenever we are commenting, you should always remember, students, 1 finger is pointing the other person, 4 fingers are pointing us. We should never comment on others. Okay? Yes. What is the next reaction, students? Very good, Pavan. Stephens. Stephens reduction or Stephens reaction? Stephens reduction or Stephens reaction? Stephens reaction also you can write. Yes. Reaction, reduction, no problem. Reduction also no problem because there's a reducing agent here, no? Next. Next question, students, quickly. Complete the following reaction. Complete the following reaction. So they gave me one reactant here. They give me one reactant here. Check carefully. This is very, very important question, students. They have given me a ketone. They have given me Grignard's reagent and hydrolysis. They have given me A. A is treated with sodium metal. It has given me B. B is treated with alkyl bromide. Gives me C. What are A, B, C, D? Okay. Shall we do that? Shall we do the reaction, students? Yes. Shall we do this? Now, simple. Here only I'll do. See here. Oxygen shifts to this. There is a cleavage of the bond. Okay. This becomes partially negative. This becomes partially positive. Same story. Magnesium becomes partially positive. Alkyl group becomes partially negative. This comes and attacks this. Magnesium goes and attacks this. Finally, when we do hydrolysis of this product, I'll be getting kya milega? Let me explain you, students. Those who don't understand this, for the final time, please see. How am I adding? Because Grignard's reagent addition reactions are very important. Compulsory, they will ask you one question from Grignard's reagent reactions. Okay. This on hydrolysis gives me break the bond OH and you get this compound. Got it? Got it? Okay. Easy? Easy? Okay. Now, students, what is 1-propanol? Propan 2-ol. Yes, Pepe. Correct. It is propan 2-ol because 1 minute, 2 methyl is not there. Methyl group also is there. Okay, chalo. So Talenter, remember again, when you are commenting, when we are using words, we should be very careful. Okay. Yes, Talenter, please try to focus on your studies better than wasting time. You are okay. You are a person who can really achieve big. Okay. Nothing. You're a nice person. Don't feel bad. Don't make others also feel bad. Right. Take care, Talenter. Right? Yes, Geeta Nair, Grignard's reagent, these type questions, how many marks? 3 marks, ma. 3 marks they will ask. 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this. Yes, students? Now check. So once I got this alcohol, you're introducing sodium metal. So this is where the substitution happens. So ONA is got. ONA you're treating with Grignard's reagent. Again there is a cleavage of the bond. This methyl group comes and attacks here. So the final product is this. Got it, students? Easy? Easy? I'm proceeding. Yes, yes, Woods reaction. Correct. Woods reaction. It's Woods because 2 alkyl groups are there, no? Hi, Sanitya. Easy? Okay. Next. This is a blank page, students. It's a blank page. Next question quickly. Section C, 3 marks questions. Let us start. Let us quickly do this. What happens when? This is again a 3 marks question. Very easy. Like. Now, what happens when they've given this question? An aqueous solution of sodium acetate is electrolyzed. So, nothing. Sodium acetate is electrolyzed means when they give you electrolyzed, remember you will be getting 2 different gases which are evolved. Because you have 2 electrodes, one is anode electrode, one is cathode electrode, right? So, when you are taking the sodium acetate, automatically we very well know, see here. C2H6 already there, you got one product. Carbon dioxide gas, yes. Sodium hydroxide, yes. Hydrogen gas. So yes, it's a Kolb's electrolytic method sort of thing. But here Jay Krishna, they have not mentioned the temperature, no? So it's a type of Kolb's electrolytic method. A perfect temperature they have not mentioned. Got it? Yes. Next, students. Calcium acetate is dry distilled. Dry distillation means nothing. You are going to take out, just see here, CH3COO is here. Again, you are linking calcium, CH3COO is here. So, what are you going to do? Calcium carbonate. One calcium carbonate is out. I'm taking out in dry distillation. You are taking calcium carbonate out and the left out is acetone. The left out is acetone. So in dry distillation, nothing. You are going to take out, release out calcium carbonate. That's all. Okay. Last. Sodium benzoate is treated with soda lime. Same story. Soda lime means you're going to take out sodium carbonate. Dry distillation means you're going to take calcium carbonate. Dono mein same product. Okay. So your benzene is formed in this case. Ethane is formed in this case. Next question. Complete the following reactions. Okay. Now tell me, students, P2O5 is what? What is the role of P2O5? What is the role of P2O5? P2O5 is what type of agent? What is P2O5? Drying agent. What is it? It's a drying agent. Oxidizing agent is a drying agent also. Okay. Remember, it is not an oxidizing, it's a drying agent. What does it do? It's going to remove water molecule. What will it do? It's going to remove water. It will take out water from wherever it is. Check here. What will it do? One hydrogen from here, one oxygen from here. Dono bahar aayega. Okay. H2O is a water. It will come out as water. P2O5 is a drying agent. Water is taken out. And the leftover you'll get amine as nitrile, cynomethane, a methyl cyanide. देखा? Okay. Next reaction, students, aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. So aldol condensation reaction, everybody knows. Everybody knows aldol condensation reaction. Yes, everybody knows aldol condensation. Shall I explain it? Shall I explain or not? You understand? Alpha hydrogen, correct. Yes, alkenal. So, Jai Krishna, you can stop at alkenal, or you can also finish off your product like this. This is also aldol, you know. You have an OH group and an aldehyde group. So, this is also an aldol condensation reaction only. Correct, my students? So, in aldol condensation, tail enter doesn't know its sense. Let us explain this. Correct. So let me write CH2 here and make this H here so that this is clear. Yes. So simple. Oxygen electronegative. This is going to shift. This hydrogen goes and shifts to this carbon, and you will be getting a product that's nothing but aldol. Aldol. Both where you have an aldehyde and an alcohol. This is your aldol. So from aldol, suppose if you're eliminating water molecule, then you'll get alkenal. You'll take out water molecule from where? Hydrogen from here, okay? And OH from here and hydrogen from here, then you'll get an alkenal. This is your aldol. Correct, no students? Okay, sure. Quickly, we'll finish this also. Benzoic acid plus nitric acid, nitrating mixture is given to you. Okay. Now, tell me students, this question maximum students write wrong. Benzoic acid plus nitrating mixture. Acid group is meta-directing or ortho-para-directing? Tell me, who will tell me? Benzoic acid is very good, Arpit. Benzoic acid is meta-directing group. So, in the exam paper, correct. Yes, yes, Shrestha. Yes, Shambha. So, you will be getting a product meta-nitrobenzene. Correct? Very good. Right. Easy. Now, explain the following reactions. Gattermann-Koch reaction, Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction. So, all the three reactions are here. Gattermann-Koch converts benzene to benzaldehyde. Sahi hai? Clemmensen reduction converts carbonyl compounds both into carbonyl compound, both. In Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner, you will be getting alkanes. Correct, no students? Clemmensen, you will be using zinc amalgam couple. In zinc amalgam couple. In Wolff-Kishner, you will be using hydrazine. Both the reactions. So, hydrazine you're using, that's why you'll be getting nitrogen gas out. Correct, no students? You have studied, you know this, I think, no? This is a reducing agent. Oxygen is removed, hydrogen is added. In this case, water is removed, and finally you get. Alright, next. Predict the products of the following. This is the last question we'll finish off. Predict the products of the following, students. See here. In this particular, what is this compound? What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound, students? Tell me. What is the name of this compound? Yeah, correct, Pepe. This is this one. Hydroxylamine. Correct, Jai Krishna. What is the second compound name? What is the second compound name? No. What is the second compound name, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. It is nothing but 2,4-DNP. Correct? Yes, it is 2,4-DNP. What is the last compound? Correct, Arpit? Semi-carbazide. That's all. So they ask you to do every place only one concept. Everywhere only one concept. Here you will be eliminating water molecule. Here you will be eliminating water molecule. Here you will be eliminating water molecule. That's all. So eliminate water, eliminate water, eliminate water. What will you get? Check here. If I eliminate water, I'll be getting oxime in the first case. Correct? Here I'll be getting 2,4-DNP derivative. In the last case, eliminated water, it will become semi-carbazone. Correct? You just took out water. Just took out water. Remove water, water, water. This hydrogen and this oxygen is out. Okay? Got it? Next question. So chemical tests are there, students. Chemical tests are there. I'll be doing this chemical test in the next video. Okay? I'll be doing chemical test in the next video. Right? So I'll be meeting you all again day after tomorrow. I'll be meeting you all day after tomorrow. Fine? Yes. And today, students, sharp 5 o'clock at Unacademy. Today I'll be doing important questions of electrochemistry. So meet me sharp 5 p.m. there. So my request is, please note all these questions. Okay? And can I ask you all something? Can I ask you all something, students? Yes, can I ask you all something? Sure. Can you all share this video to your friends? Can you all share this video to your friends? Yes, Pepi, I'll come with the paragraph based questions in my next video. Okay. After I complete amines, I'll do paragraph based questions. Please share this video and tell your friends, WOC is a free platform. Okay. WOC is a free platform, and ask your friends to come and join in the WOC family. Okay. Thank you so much, Avinash. Ask your friends to come and join in the WOC family so that this family becomes big and bigger and biggest. Right, Talenta. Thank you so much. Please share it in your group, because we want WOC to reach so many students who can't afford education. Correct? No? WOC will never be a paid platform, students. Remember, it will never be a paid platform. It will be always free and open for you all. Okay. Yes, Shrestha, I'll cover it. I'll cover it, Shrestha. By the end of May, I'll surely cover it. Okay. Thank you so much, Talenter. Thank you so much. I'll meet you day after tomorrow, sharp 3 p.m. where we'll be doing paragraph-based questions, students. What we'll be doing? Paragraph-based questions day after tomorrow. Okay? Done. Thank you so much. Take care, all of you. Yes, paragraph-based questions, Talenter. I'll be doing day after tomorrow. Okay. Any good book for all important questions? Josh, there is nothing called good important questions. I'm doing day by day series. You can go through the whole video. By 30th, the whole syllabus will be completed. Okay. If you want to prepare sample papers, if you want to go through PYQs, everything is there in WC. Take care, students. Bye-bye. Next session, paragraph based, I'll do Talenta. Then I'll do assertion reasoning. Yes. Bye-bye. Take care. Meet you all day after tomorrow, sharp 3 p.m. Will you all join me in electrochemistry, students? Will you all join me in electrochemistry? Ragini, NCERT and PYQ. Yes. Enough. More than enough. Join me at 5 p.m. Join me at 5 p.m. at Unacademy platform, students. Bye-bye. The link is given in the community tab. Link is given in the community tab.